This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to make whipped cream eggless. The classic method uses heavy cream, which is naturally egg-free. Start with 1 cup of very cold heavy cream, ensuring your bowl and whisk are also well chilled. Add about 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This simple combination creates a rich, fluffy topping that is perfect for many desserts. For those seeking dairy-free and eggless options, aquafaba and coconut cream are fantastic choices. Aquafaba, the liquid from a can of chickpeas, can be whipped with a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, vanilla, and powdered sugar to create a light, meringue-like texture. Alternatively, use the thick cream from a chilled can of full-fat coconut milk, whipping it until fluffy and adding your desired sweetener and flavor. Achieving perfect whipped cream relies on a few key secrets. Keeping everything very cold is crucial. This helps the fat molecules stabilize air. Begin whipping slowly, then increase speed, stopping when soft, billowy peaks form. Powdered sugar is recommended over granulated sugar because its fine texture and cornstarch content aid in stabilization. Be careful not to overwhip, as it can quickly go from fluffy to grainy. Once your eggless whipped cream is ready, you can customize its flavor. Try adding a 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract or 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder for a chocolate version. For longer-lasting stability, a small amount of gelatin or cornstarch can be incorporated. Store any unused whipped cream in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. If it loses some fluffiness, a brief re-whip will usually bring it back to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.